What is Chatgpt? How it works? Chatgpt is an artificial intelligence language model designed by OpenAI based on the GPT generative pre-trained transformer architecture. It uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses to user input. Chatgpt has been trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet, including books, articles, and websites. This training allows the model to understand the structure of language and learn to generate coherent responses to a wide range of topics. When a user inputs text into Chatgpt, the model uses its trained knowledge to analyze the input and generate a response. This response is generated based on the patterns and structures it has learned from the training data. The model is also constantly learning and improving. As more people use Chatgpt and provide feedback, the model can learn from those interactions and improve its responses over time.